Hello and welcome to another episode of the Mitsubishi Electric Mastered Series. Today we will take a look at the unboxing and setup of one of our newer generation CNCs, the M80V Control. I'm Matt Basque with Mitsubishi Electric Automation, and let's get started. When you order the M80V CNC, it will be shipped with the display already attached to the CNC. You have the option of choosing an 8.4 inch, 10.4 inch, 15 inch, or 19 inch display. While each size has its purpose, we most often see customers selecting the 10.4 inch, 15 inch, or 19 inch display sizes as they come standard with the touchscreen interface, which provides easy access to a lot of the great features and functions that are built into the CNC. Once the box is opened, we will see some paperwork that comes with the control. There's a sticker supplied with the control that should be applied to the machine. Best practice is to mount this inside of the electrical cabinet. The CNC can be mounted in two different ways. You can use these supplied M3 screws through the front holes in the display. We even supply plastic screw caps to give the panel a clean look. The second method to install the control is by using the studs mounted to the back of the display with M3 nuts. The same screw caps can still be used to fill the front holes. You can refer to the connection and setup manual for panel cut dimensions when designing your operation panel for the control. A few notes while looking at the back of the CNC. The battery comes pre-mounted but is not connected. Make sure to plug the battery into this white connector. The control runs off of 24 volts connected up here. You have two LAN ports here. There are three connections for the remote I/O system here. We also have connections for encoder, skip, and serial input-output, better known as RS-232. There is a rotary switch which we will use here in a minute, as well as a dual 7-segment status LED. Lastly, if we open up the cover on the back, we will find an SD card slot that can be used for a data server function that comes standard on all of our controls. Once the CNC is mounted and we supply the 24 volts to the CNC, we need to clear the SRAM to remove any possible corrupt data because the battery has been disconnected. To do this, we need to change the rotary switch to a 7 and power on until the LED on the back of the CNC displays -8. Power off the CNC and change the rotary switch to a C and power back on. Once the LED displays 0Y, power off and change the rotary switch back to a 0. And that concludes this video. Thanks again for watching another episode of Mitsubishi Electric Mastered, where we show how quick and easy it is to become a master of Mitsubishi Electric industrial controls.